Hello, good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about the multisensory activities. Before starting, one thing I want to tell you all that the background you are seeing at the back is of the shop. Actually, I came to my parents in this pandemic situation and I got stuck here. So, and I am helping them with this shop, their shop. So, using this as a my right now my study room. I'm studying it here and also making the videos for you all. So this is the very peaceful place for me to make the videos and reach you all. So don't go beyond the screen, just focus on the thing what I am saying, that will help you better. So thank you for that. Now moving on the topic multisensory activity, which means many senses. When the same activity involves two or more senses, it is called the multisensory activities. It taps into a child's natural learning style, helps him to focus better and remember it. So, one Chinese proverb I want to tell you, just want to tell you that tell me. A child is telling that tell me. अगर मुंह से बोलोगे तो maybe I forget. If you will something show me, there is a chances to remember that you had showed me something. But if you will involve me in the activity, I can understand, I will understand. So exactly the multisensory activities are like that. So starting with the multisensory activities, taking the numbers and alphabets for for teaching your child alphabets, numbers, you can do the touch and feel activities. For example, you can craft the letters and numbers in the craft papers like sandpaper, any other paper if you are using, or in the tub of sand also. You can take a sand in a tub and tell your child to just with the fingers make A, B, C. So when he start crafting all these things, he can learn better. So this is the first way to teach the letters, alphabets and numbers. Moving on the other senses, few examples I will give you. It's not possible to give all the examples of teaching the multisensory activities or teaching something with the multisensory activities. Listen and spell is also the best method for these multisensory activities. One more example I want to add on this. If you're teaching with the science or environmental science, I can add on it. If you're teaching the leaves of the plants, so when you're teaching the leaves of the plants, take the different types of edible leaves. For example, methi, you can take methi, you can take coriander leaves, you can take onion leaves, you can take tulsi. Then tell your child, blindfold him or her, and then tell your child to smell when he is smelling the tulsi leaves. So if he is getting confused, so help him with a little bit hint. जैसे for example, हम कौन से लीव्स का पूजा करते हैं घर में, मम्मा सुबह सुबह किस लीव्स को अगरबत्ती दिखाती है या पूजा करती है, या तो किस लीव्स को मम्मी चाय पे डालकर चाय बनाती है, या किस लीव्स की मेडिसिनल वे में यूज़ होता है. आप ऐसे छोटे छोटे हिंट्स के साथ बच्चे को हेल्प करें and then they will be able to recognize it. For example, methi leaves are so strong in the smell that your child can recognize it very well. So methi leaves ho gaya. Then when it comes to the coriander leaves, use another multi-senses. So use another sense. In spite of smelling, you can use the taste, tongue wala. So you can make the chutney of it and then make him or her taste. Then by tasting it, they will able to recognize it very well. So these all are the multisensory things. For the auditory, I also want to tell one activity for the auditory also. Just blindfold your child's eyes, play the song, bhajan, mantras and everything, and then he will able to use the dialogues with the. You can also use the video dialogues also. So instead of watching that and understanding, he will hear the dialogues and tell you which dialogues, which bhajan is it, which mantra is it. So all this will work with all the senses. Hope all these examples will help you. soon I will be sharing the worksheets and lots of activities in my Telegram group. You can go visit that group in Telegram, which is named as Worksheets by Drishti Enlightening Special Needs. So I will give the link in my description box. You will go visit, avail the activities as well as worksheets. Thank you for today. Hope it will help you all so much. Thank you so much. Bye bye.